We are creating your Squarespace website today. We are creating a travel website specifically, so we want to select that on here. And you can also add your own description if you want. And then here you want to select your website objectives, whether it's selling courses online, starting a blog, selling some sort of services, or building community. So you want to go ahead and select any of that. And then we're growing our business, so we are going with that option. And on this page is basically templates that Squarespace has already provided for you, and you can filter them out according to what you are looking for. You want to go ahead and look through those, but if you don't want to choose any of this, you can also build your own website, which is what we're going to do. So first things first, we want to name our website, and here you can choose the different sections of your homepage. You can choose up to 6 different designs. Choose whatever you would want to add content-wise on your homepage, and then here are all the inner pages that you would like to add. So whether it's services, your about page, your contact page, your shop page, you want to go ahead and select those. And then you can also add your color palette. There's so many choices that you can start off with. Squarespace is really good at getting you started with your website. Choose your fonts, and you can always make these changes after you've built your website. After you're done with that, there will be a few questions you will get asked, and it's all relating to SEO and selling your services and whatnot, but we will work on that later on. So right now we just want to focus on getting your website started. So this is your homepage that you have built, and it has all of the content that we need, including social media, the footer, the navigations, your intro page. And each one of these sections, you can customize them according to your brand. I want to replace this hero image, so Unsplash is stock photography site already built in, and what we're looking for is something travel related, maybe something on an island, and can add image effects here on this menu. And you can go ahead and play around with this with opacity. You want to lighten it, you want to change the color, you want to add effects. You can do that right here on this menu. You can also change the text however you want to introduce your business. You can change the color of the buttons. You can link another page to your homepage. We're adding a divider here because I kind of want to add that wave look to it. This is how you start building your website, and you can always customize it however you like down the line after you've already selected all the components on your website when you first start off. If you like this tutorial, give me a like or follow. Come back for more website content.